What's up everybody, it's KelseeBrianaJai here with a review and a tutorial using some of the new Eyes of Tom Ford products. I have quite a few eyeshadows that I ordered and I wanted to give you guys a video where I swatch all of the eyeshadows and the eye pencils. That way I can help you guys narrow down if you're undecided on if you want to get anything from Tom Ford's new launch, because he launched a lot of products at one time. The description on Tom Ford's website says that these are clutch sized, decadent, and discreet. A wardrobe of 30 shades featuring 5 distinct finishes with the color, style, and perspective that define the Tom Ford look. Encased in luxurious clutch-sized mirrored compacts, each single shadow, from the demure nude to the unabashed bold, becomes a discreet expression of unadulterated color, highly pigmented, long-wearing, and crease-resistant. Here's the packaging that it comes in: traditional Tom Ford brown. It has the gold script and it says private eyeshadow ombre secret, and in each eyeshadow there is 0.04 ounces of product or 1.2 grams of product. And here's the actual container of eyeshadow. The packaging is so cute. Of course, it's super luxe. So as you guys can see, so it snaps in place. You unsnap this and then you open it up, you get a little fun size mirror, and then your eyeshadows are here. Each eyeshadow is embossed with a TF, but I like the little packaging the most. Out of every facet of the eyeshadow, I like the packaging the most. So like it says online, there are 30 different colors, and when I initially ordered mine, it was not any swatches on the internet. I ordered mine blindly. There are 5 different finishes. You have the ultra suede finish, which is completely matte with no pearl, and you have the suede finish, which is a demi matte with subtle pearl. You have the sateen finish, which is a lustrous pearl with a glowing sheen. You have a vinyl finish, which is highly pearlized metallic chrome, and you have a palette finish, I believe is how it's pronounced, which is sequined glittery pearl. I actually have 5 of the eyeshadows, but I only have 4 here to show. I have no idea what I did with that eyeshadow. I bought the eyeshadow Warm Leatherette. It's somewhere. I bet I'll find it after the video. These eyeshadows are really nice quality. All of them performed really well. I didn't pick up enough eyeshadows to do a complete look on my eye, so I did mix in a few more eyeshadows that I already had, but I like the ones that I did get. Because I have a lot of makeup, I like to be selective, and these are the things that I feel like stood out most to me. I like all of the colors that I grabbed, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into those swatches, and then following the swatches I'm going to do a tutorial. That way you guys can see me create this eye look and you'll see how the eyeshadows apply. So enjoy. Eyeshadow base, I use the MAC 24 Hour Extend Eye Base. I'm going to take the eyeshadow Blonde Venus. I'm going to take this color and set all over my eye, blending out really nicely. Now I need a few transition colors. I didn't pick up any of those from the new collection, so I'm going to add a few of my own that I already have in my collection. So now that I have all of these transition colors and my outer crease colors applied, I'm going to take the color Infrared Sateen. I'm going to put this color right on my inner corner. So once you have that color applied, I'm going to take another Tom Ford eyeshadow. This one is in the color Fire Sign. I'm going to pat this color in the blank area on my lid. This color has a little bit of fallout. It's not giving me the life that I wanted to, so hold on. So I actually am going to take a little bit of this with this brush, and let's spray some Fix Plus on it to see if it'll give it a little bit more pizzazz. So again, I'll go in. I wish the color was a little bit more popping, and I wish that the texture was a little bit more finely milled. That's okay. It looks pretty on the lid, like an everyday sparkly bronze color. So now I'm going to finish off the rest of the eye look, and I'll be back to show you guys what everything looks like all together. let me know down in the comments section what your favorite eyeshadows are from this launch, and also let me know if you're getting any of the eye pencils or the eye gloss or anything, because there's a lot of products that he launched at the same time, as well as mascaras. And if you haven't already, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all in my very next video. Smooches. Bye.